NEE stock analysis, super interesting. In this very short, brief 1-minute video, I'm explaining my exact play, technical analysis, all that. With NextEra Energy, 3% up, it's decent, you know, and all I'm looking to further do from here, let's zoom out and show you my previous ideas. Well, I had a ultimate bedrock idea to just taking things up that was made back a year, you know, 2023 October. So that's a long time ago. And that closely pumped, you know, like that was nice. And I do believe that we even reached a high. So, oh, it was such a close call. And then finally started kind of melting down a bit. I mean, ultimately, to be very frank and honest, I'm not going away from buying more on this. So I'm hoping and praying for confirmations and corrections. And only if that does happen, I'm going to look to take it up, right? If not, it's pure noise and nonsense. So stay tuned. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.